The mysterious number that shaped our universe. A single number appears in countless equations. Without it, atoms wouldn't exist. Paul Dirac called it physics' most fundamental unsolved problem. Wolfgang Pauli quipped he'd ask the devil about it after death. That number is 1 over 137, known as the fine structure constant. It's both revered and puzzling. The constant even appears in religious contexts. In Kabbalah, Jewish mysticism, 137 marks the lifespan of important figures. But the story of 1 over 137 begins with light from atoms. Scientists observed that atoms emit light at specific energies. These energies create distinct spectral lines when broken into a spectrum, but as measurements improved, they noticed something odd. Each line was actually two lines, very close together. In 1916, Arnold Sommerfeld solved this mystery. He included Einstein's relativity in his calculations. He also accounted for electron spin interacting with orbital magnetic fields. Sommerfeld found a pattern. The energy difference between these fine lines was always a multiple of one number. That number was a combination of several constants: the electron's charge, pi, vacuum permittivity, Planck's constant, and the speed of light. This combination yielded a unitless value. All units canceled out. The result was 0.00729735256, approximately 1 over 137. At first, this seemed like a coincidence. Then physicists noticed 1 over 137 everywhere. It showed up in equations. For electron repulsion, it determined electron speeds. In hydrogen atoms, it factored into the ground state energy of electrons. There was no obvious reason why these ratios should all involve 1 over 137. Modern physics revealed more about 1 over 137. It represents the strength of the electromagnetic force. It's the base probability that an electron will emit or absorb a photon. This makes 1 over 137 crucial for atoms. If it were much different, atoms wouldn't form stable structures. The universe as we know it couldn't exist. The constant's value isn't fixed. It changes with energy. In the extreme energies, after the Big Bang, it was close to 1. As the universe cooled, it dropped to about 1 over 137. If it had dropped to 0, there would be no electromagnetism and no atoms. The fine structure constants, lack of units, makes it special. Most physical constants require units, like meters or seconds. But 1 over 137 is the same for everyone in the universe. It's a pure number. This property fascinates scientists. If we ever contact aliens, 1 over 137 could be a common language. It's a number any advanced civilization would recognize.